If you've ever struggled to come up with a price for a new product or service, then you're in luck because Kajabi just released a brand new update for their checkout feature that allows your customers to pay what they want. In this video, I'm going to go over what that new feature is. I'm going to do a quick demo of how to use it within your Kajabi account, and I'm going to reveal the one thing that I wish they had released with this feature that would absolutely make it unbelievable. If you clicked the link in the email or just went to the Kajabi Help Center, you would see that the Pay What You Want offers feature has a detailed help section that explains how to use it. Long story short, it allows you to set a minimum purchase price for whatever offer, product, service, etc. that you want, and then your customers, if they feel that it's worth much more than that, can choose to pay a price greater than that minimum. So why would you want to use this new feature? First off, you'd want to use it because you can experiment with prices. Let's say you have a brand new course or membership. Maybe you want to test drive the new community feature and you're not quite sure how much people would be willing to pay. You might say, okay, I'm going to set the price for this course, this product, this service at $10. And then if people choose, they could pay $10 or $15 or $20 or $50, etc. That is a great way for you to have a rough idea of what people are willing to pay in order to access that feature. Another option you have is the support. So you might say, if you want to support my channel, my video creation, my courses, my training, I would really appreciate if you left a tip for me using the link below. So you may have seen platforms like Patreon, etc., where a lot of like YouTube creators or TikTokers might have a link to their Patreon, and they will say, hey, if you want me to keep creating these cool videos or songs, I would really appreciate you supporting my channel. So you could have a price set, thanks for your support, minimum price $1, and if people wanted to, they could tip you $1, or they could show their support and pay $5 or $10. But you could take it a step further. So let's say you wanted to do some fundraising for a cause you believe in, where you might send out a message to your list, or you might create something for your social media following and say, hey, I'm raising money for this dog shelter, or maybe there was a natural disaster that destroyed some houses or homes in your area. You're trying to raise money for them. So you are releasing a course, or you are offering your services at a minimum price of $40. But any money that you raise, any money that goes towards that service will be donated to help whatever cause you believe in. So now you've set a minimum for whatever you value your time, your product, your service to be at. And if people want to pay more than that, then all of those funds would go to a great cause. So you can see that this really opens up a lot of possibilities for how you can still offer your products and services to your market without making it so restrictive and saying it's $100, that's it. Because people might want to pay more than $100 if it's a cause they believe in, or they might want to tip you or show support for your channel or your business by paying more than, say, $10. Now, you might be curious as to how to actually add this to your account. The help file does have a great walkthrough, but it's really not that complicated. Essentially, inside of your dashboard within your Kajabi account, if you have an existing offer, which I've set up here, you would simply go down to your pricing, hit edit, and then you have the ability to scroll down and you can choose how you want to set this up. You could do your usual one-time payment, multiple payments, subscription if free, or you could set the ability for people to choose what they pay, but you would just set a minimum price of, let's say, $10. So let's say you had a $10 Canadian or whatever you choose for your minimum purchase price. You could then allow people to pay more than that, and you would have a text override that says minimum $5 or pay what you want, etc. And that would allow people to pay either $10 or more. Now, the only catch here is that it's only for one-time payment. You can't do it for multiple payments, and you can't do it if you set it to free because there is no payment. However, if you do choose the one-time payment, you can set the minimum price to 0, and now they could still get it for free, or they can pay any price greater than 50 cents. So it has to be at least 50 cents to cover the processing fee for whatever payment they do choose. It can't be 10 cents or 5 cents. It has to be either 0 or at least 50 cents. I just quickly went ahead, I updated the minimum price, and I updated the price text override for the pay what you want feature. As you can see, I left some instructions here, and if we go to the demo checkout page, you can see what the visitors to this demo checkout would see. The override text is at the top, so in this case, I just left a really simple explanation as to what I want them to do. Donate what you want, minimum $10. But you can also see that there is some instructions in the checkout itself as well, if you don't want to put that in the overlay text. The one thing that I would really like to see Kajabi do to make this absolutely incredible would be to add an automation tied to this new feature. Here's what I'm hoping will happen. If they could allow it so that if someone were to make a minimum purchase of $20 or $50, have an automation that would grant people access to an offer or send them a single-time coupon that is based off of them hitting certain benchmarks. Kickstarter is most known for this, where you might set your basic course, your introductory course, as a pay what you want, minimum $10, and let people know that if they pay $20, they'll get this bonus. That if they pay $50, they'll get these bonuses. Now you would have the ability to truly test where the market demand is and what people are willing to pay in order to access certain bonuses. Now you can really see how there'd be a lot more strategy that opens up more doors to incentivize people to take action. I'm hoping that there'll be some more automations coming in the future to really leverage this feature. By itself right now, it's still incredible, but if they made that one little tweak, that would be something that no other checkout is doing and would really make Kajabi it would just take it to the next level. If you don't already have a Kajabi account and you want to check out this feature, I'll put a link to get special access to an offer that Kajabi has going on right now in the link below this video. It will also come with my $997 bonus just to help get you up and running and getting great results even faster. But in the meantime, let me know what you think about this new feature. How do you plan to use it? I'm genuinely curious, so let me know in the comment section below. I'm going to read through them as they come in. And if you want to see another great video with strategies on how to leverage Kajabi, you'll want to check out this video right now.